my 2011 bike check. Start with, I got my Odyssey bar ends, and I have black ODI long neck grips on Odyssey Ross space bars. I have my stock Fit stem. Next is my Fit forks and my Fit SAF tires. I have Revenge Industries front rim laced to a stock hub. I have the Fit Eddie Cleveland frame. My Kink 22-tooth sprocket with my stock Fit crank. I have my Stone Thermalite pedals. I have my Shadow Conspiracy Interlock version 2 half-link chain. I have a Shadow Conspiracy seat clamp, a Kink seat post, and a Stolen seat, pivotal seat. I have a Shadow Conspiracy back rim with a stock Revenge Industries hub. And that's my bike check.